Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to share. I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but
So guys, we have finished the first table. This is how it is looking. This is where we'll put our big printers, and yeah, where we'll put our big printers. Tell us if you think we did a good job. Notice I said we.
Shit, great. So, guys,
We did most of the work.
we're going to have our large format printer here. It's gonna turn this way, so when you print, it print all onto this table here, cut, and the drawings are stacked on each other in this position, right? So it becomes easier for us to just staple it. I'm watching this table, I'm gonna have another table over here. So this is just to collect the sheets. If we're doing anything heavy, then we go over to the center table. I'll do the top for that one going to be ply, foam ply. So I will be a little bit stronger. This I was trying out. This is not a hard core. This is a hollow core flush door, right? Not a solid door. So it kind of have a little play in it, but for the purpose that it is being used for, it's appropriate. Once the drawing print and all that, it shouldn't have a problem with it. Right? We have shelves down here, so I'll cut the ply and install the shelf down here, so I can put my canvas on it. So these are my canvas rolls. So I can always put my canvas rolls on there. Easily access. You know? So I'll just load the printer and I'm good to go.
Nice.
Desk, my desk is gonna be down there. So, and then over where in the corner over there, that's gonna be the YouTube studio. So here I'm gonna have a high table. So this will be our one backdrop. We're gonna put something on the wall, and then on this side we'll have another different backdrop here. So this will have a couch, like 2 couch, or a small love seat, right? And a center table, and a center table, or a coffee table. Yeah, coffee table. This will have a high table, and this one will have a coffee table. So, then the center table will be here. Reception is going to be up here. And then myself and the television will be down here. So, and then Carol will be beside me. So. Or you don't want to decide. No, you don't want to decide. Well, your station is really over here because you're going to be doing mostly your thing with your YouTube stuff and marketing and stuff like that. So you'll be mostly over here. But I want an office space where we can just vibe and get work done and just create some really good designs, right? And serve returning residents and just create that lifestyle that we want, right? And that's the aim. Just creating this nice YouTube studio and work area where we can just all gel and just create a lifestyle for ourselves and work together. That's the idea. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. No, this is going more some work here coming into place. Yeah, so my lights are already set up. The lights are already set up, so you know say YouTube ready for me, you know? I'm here, I'm gonna be here, I'm gonna be there. So 3-point light. And then so the center table right over here. So I have 3-point light. So you now have another light. So I'm gonna use that. And I'm wondering if I should use I'm gonna use the strip light. And this may get a different strip light. Depends on how the space feels. But we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Shaping out. We're doing it ourselves, right? We're doing it ourselves. We're putting our hands to work and just that helps us to save a lot as it relates to spending to actually buy stuff or getting someone to make these things for us. It would have cost us more. So we're kind of trying to be a bit more innovative and just do it ourselves, save money. And it also helps us to grow, right? Learning new things and stuff like that. And it helps us to appreciate workers, right? For me personally, I don't like to give people work like manual labor. I normally try to put myself in the situation. So when somebody is doing something like this for me, I can appreciate, when they give me them costs. So, yeah. Anyways, peace. This is AJAWI family. This is AJAWI TV. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. Support us, support our business. If you want prints, if you want drawings to be done, if you want drone surveys, if you want measured surveys, if you want to even use our YouTube studio, you can actually do that. You book your time and you come down and you do your thing and you gel. You can even use our camera. Our camera will be set up, our lights will be set up. All you do is click record and you have 2 spaces that you can create your own backdrop and do your thing. And we won't bother you, right? So that's pretty much where it is at. Depends on the time of day. So like on Saturday, Sundays, you book your time. During the week, it will be a little bit more hectic, but who knows? Anyways.
Or in the evening.
Or in the evenings, yeah. In the evenings, way better, alright? Peace! See you next time.